Motorhome parking in Murcia. We are literally outside the most famous Swedish brand probably known to man. We're outside the Ikea. The city, which shares the same name as the region, is vastly overlooked by many tourists, although being Spain's 7th largest city. Let's explore. It's an ideal stop for the city because there is a tram 5 minutes walk away. The tram runs every 10 minutes. This stop is called Infants, and it's $1.40 each way.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we?
Where are we? We're in the freezing cold.
In the freezing cold. It's lovely, blowing a gale, and we're in Murcia.
It's cold.
We're acclimatising to the weather coming back home.
Yeah, we've just seen that it's like -4 at home.
It's 10 degrees this way, but it's windy.
The wind's cold. So our tram stop was at Plaza Circular, which drops us right at the edge of the old town. A nice short walk down the boulevard before we start hitting the sights. One of the first things we find is the Monument to Human Rights. This is a replica. The real one stands outside the European Council in Strasbourg. What a gorgeous find! So Michelle has spotted some plant pots. Our first stop, the Royal Casino de Murcia. This stunning building is one of the most iconic landmarks in this whole city. It's worth a visit. You can, if you want, take a guided tour of the interior, or simply, if you're like us and not really too fussed about going in and seeing the places where there was ballroom dancing and grand parties, admire the outside. This is the somewhat amazing Cathedral de Santa Maria. It has what is supposedly one of the biggest bell towers in the entirety of Spain, towering about 300 feet above us. It's great, it's gorgeous. Sadly, we've had a quick squiz inside, but it does say no pictures, so we're not going to give you any pictures. I know lots of you think we're a bit crazy because we visit millions of churches throughout our travels, which is quite random, but they are gorgeous things to go and see. We're not remotely religious, but yeah, it is beautiful. Just the other side of the cathedral is this stunning little plaza. It is beautiful, it's gorgeous. One side you'll find the tourist information office for a bit of information. The other side, we're going to grab a coffee in one of the beautiful coffee bars. Almost cutting the city into two. The river is a beautiful place to have a wander along the edge. Sadly, we caught it on a really cold and blustery windy day, but it is gorgeous. I imagine if you could catch this for the sunset, it would give you the most amazing views down over that city. It's only falling trees that kill you. Standing up in the air trees don't kill you. And what another unique and amazing find in this beautiful city of Murcia. Who would have imagined they would have a botanical gardens slap bang in the middle of the city? There are various plants, flowers, there are statues. It's gorgeous. Come and have a look round. We'll take you and give you a whistle-stop tour. It's a bit windy.
A bit windy. It's blue sky. Thumbs out. A bit of wind.
This is genuinely one of my most favourite things to do when we go and find a new city or a new town. Go and hit the local market. You can see how the people eat, how the people shop. It's just a great way to get a local vibe for what's going on. This market is amazing. Set on 2 floors, you can find pretty much any type of produce you want. Vegetables, fruit and meats and fish. It is gorgeous. And the colours of the food, they're just wow. Michelle looks cold with her beer in the tapas bar and her hat on still. So obviously no trip to a Spanish city would be complete without a bit of a tapas experience. We find the local bar, we grab some tapas and we enjoy. Well, that's it for our vlog about Murcia in Spain. I hope you've enjoyed learning something about this beautiful city, and we do hope that if you're ever this way, you stop and you give it a visit. It's dark. Oh, there we go. You still can't see me because it's still dark, but it's quite interesting, isn't it? Because this is what camping in a shopping centre looks like. If we spin right round, there we go. So somewhere above my head is the Porcelana site, and if we spin that way, in the top corner there is the most famous sign in the whole of Scandinavia. Ikea. We are Murcia Motorhome Air. It's quite good, to be fair. It's noisy, it's got traffic noise, but it quiets down at night. It's free. There are 60 places, but where we are, we're in the 60 places. But if you sort of pan right round behind me, I know you can't see because it's too dark, so let's pan back round. It's too dark, but behind me in the overflow car park is another 150 vans. This place is absolutely rammed with people. There is no doubt about it, it's a popular place to come. And what a gorgeous city. Truly is, gorgeous city. We've been catching the tram, 10 minutes into the city. Perfect.